In previous lesson, we'll talk about HTML elements, and in this lesson, we're gonna learn how to create first link inside the web page. Links are connection from one page to another, and links allows users to move from one page to another. Links are specified in HTML using anchor tag, and the most important attribute of anchor element is href attribute, which indicates link's destination. Link text is visible part of the link, which all users can see on the web page. And when specific user click on the link text, in that case, user will be redirected to specified URL address. I created two HTML pages, home and contact. So I want to add a link inside the home page, and when I click on this link, will be redirected to contact page. Let's create a link with opening and the closing tag inside the home HTML file. And between tags, we can put some text. And if we click on this link text, we should be redirected to contact page. Let's save file and reload page. And if we click on this link text, nothing happens. That's because we didn't specify URL address of the page inside the link. So next, let's add href attribute inside the link tag. And because contact page is in the same folder like home HTML file, all we need to do is specify contact page without folder name. Now if we save file and reload page in the browser, and if we click on this link text, you can see that we redirected to contact page we specified inside href attribute of the link. Next, we can add link inside the contact page. And when we click on this link, we can go back to home page. So all we need to do is copy this link and paste inside the contact page. And here instead contact, we're gonna specify home page. And also we can change text. And if we save file and reload page in the browser, and if we click on this link, you can see that we returned from contact page to home page. Also, we can use image as a link. And to use image as a link, we need to put image tag inside anchor tag. First, let's create image folder. And inside the folder, we can add some image. I'm gonna add image from the desktop. And here inside the home HTML file, we can delete this text. between anchor tags. And instead link text, we can add our image. First, let's add image tag. And inside the image tag, we need to add a source attribute. And inside the source attribute, we need to specify a path of the image. First, we need to add folder name and name of the image. Let's save file and reload page in the browser. And you can see now we have our image instead link text. And if we click on this image, we should be redirected from home page to contact page. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.